Welcome! As part of a new series, we are going to take a look at how a real good family-based nursery works. Welcome to Akerne Orchids. We will start off by looking at some wonderful Sarcochilus flowers. In this multi-part series, all aspects of orchid growing will be highlighted. However, time and COVID will spell out the speed of filming and publishing. I was privileged to see and capture these wonderful gems in a private part of the nursery. In this cold greenhouse, Dendrobium speciosum and some Dendrobium kingianum from the private collection grow here as well. In winter, the temperature is kept at 8 degrees Celsius here. Next to some Sarcochilus species, there's an enormous selection of crosses from Australian breeding in a wide range of colors and color combinations. Sarcochilus seedlings have been grown on over the last 3 to 5 years and are now ready to be sold. If you're interested in some of these plants, please check out their website that contains a complete list of all plants seen here. Unfortunately, the beautiful burgundy red and deep red colors don't show as they are in reality. Several hundreds plants are growing and blooming here, a heartwarming display. Of course, I could not resist, and with permission, I selected some plants to come home with me. And yes, I don't really need any more orchids, but who can resist such beautiful small plants? So here's my humble selection. All in all, a sunny, floriferous start of this series. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.